Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand side by side brand wise GRJ257JSXN. This fridge having actually the problem uh, after starting machine within few minutes it's showing error message FF error. That's been actually related with the freezer fan only. If it is this error occurring at your home with your fridge, you have to do you have to check. First of all, you have to check the door. If it is freezer door open at the same time, also within few minutes it will show FF error. Otherwise, is forming ice internally. That's mean evaporator side internally, ice forming at the same time. Freezer fan not working at that time. Also, it's making showing FF error message. Because of that, you have to first of all you have to check the door closing properly or not. Also you have to check the side door gasket. If it is the both gasket and door closing properly, you have to do keep it open both side doors and keep it at least 3 hour open door. After that you have to restart the machine unit and check it is whether coming or not FF error again. If it is showing again, after that also it's showing error FF, you have to replace definitely freezer fan. If that is the main issue actually, freezer fan not working. That's mean after getting defect freezer fan, you have to replace the freezer fan. At that time it's showing FF continuously occurring. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer fan, because the I did all the things but it's again showing freezer fan. Now I will show you how to replace the freezer fan. Now I'm going to remove all the food stuff from the freezer side. That's mean evaporator side. When you stand in front of the refrigerator, it should your left side. Now I have to remove all the things from the fridge. After that we have to remove all the drawers, just like that. It is very easy. And all the rack we have to remove. That already I removed already, you can see here. Now we have to remove this mount, otherwise guard the drawer. One side only we have to remove. At this side, the one drawer guard we have to remove, mount. Otherwise we cannot remove the evaporator cover. Because of that we have to remove this 4 screws. After that we can take it like that. You can see here it is locked and only the one screw. That's mean 2 screws only, not the 4. After that we have to remove here lock actually no any screws. We have to use some the flat screwdriver I'm using. Like that you can see. After that freezer fan connector, also room sensor connector also we have to release. After that only we can take fan section. Now you can see here The fan motor actually it should be the provided by the company. Part number is EAU 6069451. This is the part number. This is original. It should be original parts. Otherwise, it will show again after replacing duplicate fan motor. Because of that, I'm telling actually don't replace local parts, because it's not accepting because this is BLDC motor, DC 13 watts this fan motor. Because of that you have to careful read the specification. After that only we have to change, we have to replace. Now I'm going to remove the fan motor. Here fan guard, 2 screws we have to remove. After that we have to remove the front cover, otherwise fan blade we are not able to take. Because of that, now I have to remove that from the front. Keep like that. Now here using flat screwdriver, that is only the lock. Here we have to release the lock. You can see here all the locks, it will come very easy actually. Now here one screw, and also here screw. 3 screws we have to remove, otherwise it's not coming. Also lock I already released. Now it will come. Now you can see here now it's already came out. Now I can take the fan motor. Here also one lock. Now you can see it is easy. Now we can take the fan blade, otherwise impeller. You can see the this BLDC motor. Again I'm telling, don't replace local motors, it will show again. Now I remove the fan blade. Now this is the original, which is I'm going to replace. The same motor, but the color only difference, but the part number everything's are same. This is the part number 6069451. Now I'm going to refix the fan motor again as same before. But before replace the fan, which is I told you before, just check the door hinge, door gasket. If it is unfortunately door gasket damage, also is forming ice internally inside too much. Because of that also freezer fan not working at the same time. Now I'm going to fix again. Now I have to fix fan blade, but make sure it is not touching with the mount guard. If it is touching, it will struck again, it will show again FF fan error, freezer otherwise evaporator fan error. Now I have to fix properly this one. If ice forming inside, we have to switch off the refrigerator, keep it open all the doors at least 3 hours. After that restart the fridge and check before replacing fan motor. If it is all the ice melting at the same time, fan if getting a block, freezer fan, it will work again. But all the things, all the checking, troubleshooting again happen in the same. Again it's showing FF error. At the same time only you have to replace the fan motor. Now I did all the things, but it's not resolved the issue. Because of that, I'm replacing new fan motor. Here in UAE, this is almost 175 dirhams. It is $65-70. Now I fix already. After fixing, you have to keep harness here like that, guard, otherwise this will touch with the fan blade. Because of that, make sure you have to keep fixed properly harness. All the locks you have to keep the same position. Now I have to tight all 3 screws properly. Also we have to adjust properly the rubber washers, mounting 2 washers up, back and front. We have to fix also fan blade. Don't put too much inside, otherwise it will touch. Now this is okay, it's not touching. And make sure it is tight or not properly. And now I'm going to check. Now you can see here it is smoothly, fan blade is running. It's little bit gone down. Because of that, I remove again. Now it's okay. Now you can check here, it's working properly, it's turning nicely without any problem. Now I have to fix cover as same before, but make sure that sensor also harness, it should be the same way. It should come out, otherwise you have to remove again. Now it's okay. All the locks, it should be the proper locking. After that, we have to fix backside 3 screws also. Again, you have to check after fixing cover also is whether touching or not fan blade with the cover. Now all 2 harness are okay. Now I have to fix these 3 screws, 2 side 2 screws and middle one. Now harness you have to fix like that. All the locking you have to do that, otherwise while running time fan blade it will touch. Unfortunately, it will go to the fan area. Because of that, make sure that you have to fix properly. Now I already fixed that motor and fan blade, everything perfect. Now I have to fix, as seen before, to the fridge. And first of all, room sensor, freezer sensor connector. Now after that, fan connector. You can see here properly. Now it's okay. Now we can fix properly. All the lock only, no any screws. We have to fix properly all the locks. While touching, it will come. It's like that. Now it is okay. Now you can see here, dear friends. Now this is actually it will come up, that lock. This is air vent actually. Yeah, it will come this way. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix I'm going to clean this a little bit. We have to clean actually my hand, some dirt with the cover. Now it's okay. Now I have to clean properly. After that we can fix as same before all the drawers and drawer covers, everything. Now first we have to fix this too. Here also before I removed one screw, that one also I have to fix again. Like that we can fix. Also down I remove two also. Now everything okay, perfect. Now I can fix all the drawers and glass rack like this. We have to fix properly actually. Careful also we have to do. This is the tempered glass, also expensive glass. If any unfortunately is breaking, it is extra expenses for you. Because of that, very careful we have to do this job. Now dear friends, my job already completed. I fixed all the drawers and everything, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again watching my channel. Thanks again.